Hi, this is Dr. Adam Hine with Gonstead Physical Medicine. Two types of pains that are very common for athletes: neck pain and lower back pain. Literally, lower back pain is one of the most common musculoskeletal complaints in the entire world. Up to 80% of us at some point will be affected with lower back pain. This is especially prevalent in athletes, whether it be from impact exercises or sports collisions. Nonetheless, unilateral rotational sports, so especially things like baseball, racquetball, tennis. We're going to see pickleball players, golfers. A lot of different athletes are going to have that rotational stress in that lower back. We're also going to see things like whiplash. A lot of cyclists also get a lot of neck and lower back pain. Whether it be neck pain or back pain, the best ways to really treat these are going to be chiropractic adjustments. Sports massage will be great. We're going to want to do some stretches, some exercises. If there is a disc lesion, non-surgical spinal decompression is one of the best ways to treat this in the world. Other things, electrical muscular stimulation, and of course cryotherapy. All these are going to be very beneficial. So if you have any neck pain, back pain, call our office, get an appointment, and we'll see you soon.